Do you like this hairstyle? It's got nice soft texture, very, very pliable, easy to style, something modern. Well, I'm gonna show you exactly the best way to achieve this haircut. If you are new to my channel, I'm Steven, a salon guy, 30+ year professional hairstylist. I have over 4,000 pieces of content here on YouTube. I was one of the first content creators in the hair industry. 19 years ago, I started putting out videos. So welcome if you're new, and thank you if you've been with me for a very long time. So this hairstyle is kind of like the perfect hairstyle for someone who doesn't necessarily want a short skin fade, something that's modern, still sophisticated, very, very easy to style. This works really great on someone with straight hair. Now, the key to this is not only having the right haircut, but also the products that are being used. That is why I'm so excited to talk to you about one of my favorite products, and it has been blowing up on social media and also because of all of you purchasing it. So you may be familiar with my crafted line. My crafted line is my artisan, handcrafted, custom blended product line. And this is a really, really high-end brand, a sub-brand of TheSalonGuy. And it's got all unique formulas, incredible sophisticated fragrances, all made here in the United States, all handcrafted, and this has really become a staple in the TheSalonGuy brand. This product in particular, the sea salt styling paste, this is something that has been trending simply because I believe everybody is so hooked on sea salt. I have a sea salt spray tidal wave. Imagine tidal wave, however, in a paste form. That's what this is, the same high quality sea salt. Now, a little bit of a surprise for you. We just recently got an upgrade on the packaging. So we've decided to go with a different look here, something that is a little bit more, I think it kind of brightens things up, revives things a little bit. The white makes this pop. You also can see through this now, so you can see the product. So we decided to change up the packaging, and this is gonna be rolling out for all the crafted products like this in these jars. So let's talk about what makes this crafted sea salt paste so unique. A lot of you have had this happen. You buy a texture paste, you work it through, and 10 minutes later, your hair looks greasy, it's weighed down, it just is so frustrating. And that is why I formulated this sea salt paste differently. A lot of pastes are built on wax or they're oil-based. Well, this is built on clay. Kaolin and bentonite, two minerals that actually absorb excess oil instead of adding it. That's what gives you a true matte finish that holds up all day, not just for the first hour. Then there's the sea salt. For that lightly gritty, lived-in separation you normally only get from a sea salt spray, except a spray sometimes leaves your hair a bit dry and stiff. That's where this doesn't. Because I balance it with safflower oil and rice bran wax. So it offers you flexible hold, pliable all-day workability, and you can restyle it from any time throughout your style, and it does not feel stiff. And here's what most brands won't tell you. This is actually water-based. It rinses clean in one wash, no buildup, no residue coating your scalp or coating your hair. This is the paste I wish I had years ago behind the chair. Let's talk about how good this product smells. Bergamot, grapefruit, Sicilian lemon, sandalwood, musk, cedar, and it just has that really, really high quality, luxurious fragrance. So here's the scoop, and what you want to do is work it into your palm, but also work it into your fingers. Everybody focuses so much on putting the product down here, when in fact it's up here. Your fingers is where you're working the product. So it's fairly creamy, believe it or not. That's because of the ingredients in it. So it's working through, however, you're still getting that texture and that grip. So if you run it through your hand, through your hair like this, where you still feel some of that product, that's where you may feel a little more of that grip, that light texture. But if you work it through your hands all the way, it eventually softens to where you start to feel more of that sea salt, and it starts to disappear. That oil will break down into your hands, and it's gonna be a very, very matte type of feel. So all you need to do is, on fully dry hair, this is how I like the product the best, is literally just work it in. This works great if you have dry hair because it will make your hair look and feel healthier. And what I'm doing is I'm literally just working this through. And what I've noticed about this particular product is that it's not like it's making your hair look shiny, it's making your hair look healthy. And I've seen numerous people use this for the first time, and I would see them and I go, wow, your hair looks like really, really healthy. And they say, oh, it's because of that paste. And simply due to the ingredients and the customization, this is making your hair have that texture, have that volume, have that pliability, all while making it look healthy. You want to have healthy looking hair. Yes, a matte finish is cool. This does provide a healthy matte finish, meaning your hair does not look dry. It doesn't look like it's fried or damaged. It's matte, but it looks really, really healthy. And this is a product that also works great on fine hair. Just use maybe a little bit less, work it through all the way to where you don't feel anything. You'll feel more of that drier clay texture, that paste texture, and then you're able to work it in. And it really works wonders for fine hair because that sea salt is actually binding the hair together. And people have been buying this like crazy over the last, I would say 5-6 months. It's always been a great product, but I think people are starting to catch on that it's so unique and so good that it's really worth checking out. I invite you to explore my full range, but if you're really interested in checking out this particular product, you can just click here where it says View Products, get it right here, and also visit my store. I have lots of other great products. Let me know if you enjoy this video. Let me know if you're using this product. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.